All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the kettlebell squat to press or thruster. All right, the thruster is using the powering your legs, using your leg power to press that bell overhead. It's one continuous power movement. All right, that I'm going to show you how to do. That's going to shoot your heart rate up. It's going to burn fat. It's going to make you stronger. It's going to be a full exercise you can do even by itself to get a full body workout with one kettlebell. All right, love this exercise. And it's something that I recommend to those that are just starting out with kettlebells. Once you get the high pull catch down, the squat, and then you add the press in there, the 2-arm press, which I have videos on as well. Put this in for a full body workout. All right. So setting it up, got to get the bell up from the ground. So that's where the high pull catch comes in. All right. So again, I have a video on the high pull catch on how to do it correctly. If you need more in-depth instruction on how to do this, we'll touch on it real quick. Bell by your toes. You're gonna high pull, grab that bell here by the handles, hinge down, pull it up. All right, that's the high pull catch. And then squat. We're gonna adjust our feet out to the sides. All right, we're gonna be pulling ourselves down. Left knee to that that wall, right knee to that wall. Pull down, pause, and then we're gonna power it up and press it overhead. And one continuous movement. All right, so pull. Shoot it up. All right. So that's how it goes. You pull down and you use that leg power to power it up. It should shoot up. All right. That's the thruster. All right. You're thrusting it up with your leg power. So pull down. As you power breathe, always have your breath synchronized to your power. So pull down. Shoot it up. All right. One thing I want to touch on from the side here, transferring that energy from your legs to pressing it overhead. All right. There's an energy transfer. How do you do that? That's where the glute thrust comes in. All right. So we power it up here, squat, the power up part. That's where our glutes, hips forward, just like we do in a deadlift. A swing, we transfer the energy up, and as you shoot it up, shoots that bell up. So it's a transfer of leg energy, leg power, all the way up the chain, overhead. All right. So without a bell, it looks like this. So you have the bell here, or imaginary bell. You're squatting, and it comes up. All right. So it's okay, practice that. Down, shoot it up. Use that glute power. Fire. Once you fire, that shoots the bell up. All right, that's the 2-arm part of it. All right, let me show you how it looks just with the press. All right, high pull catch it. So as I come up from the bottom part of my squat, shoots up. All right. All right, so that when I squat all the way, shoots up. All right, squat, power it up. All right, that transfer of energy is where you're going to get the thrust part of it. That's why it's called a thruster, because you're shooting that up. All right, once you get that power movement of transfer from your legs to the press through that popping of your hips and glutes and your core, and shooting the bell up, you'll feel like the bell becomes almost weightless. It shoots up, it floats up, because all the energy is going overhead. All right? You know when you're doing it right when you feel that bell float and become essentially weightless. All right? So practice this. Again, breaking it down. High pull catch that bell. All right? I'll show you here one more time. High pull catch. Set your feet up. All right, we're squatting first. Pull down. Nice controlled squat. Power it up. And we shoot it overhead. All right, reset. Shoot it overhead. All right, focus on 1 rep at a time. A good controlled squat. Power it up. Pull lock off the top. Bring it down. All right. So practice that 3 to 5 reps, get that going. It's gonna get your heart rate up. It's gonna make you breathe hard because it is a full body exercise, all the way from the squat, all the way overhead, full range of motion. This is a huge, very beneficial exercise. I love to add into my training. To just, if I'm short on training, I'll do a thruster type of workout with the squat to press, because I know I'm hitting my total body and it only takes a few minutes. All right. So practice the squat to press, the thruster. We're going to add it to other workouts down the road. Add this to your high pull catch, or first learn the high pull catch. Then the squat, I have another video on that. And then the 2-arm press, which I have another video as well. Check that out, how to do all those, put those all together into the thruster, and then boom, you're ready to go and add this excellent exercise into your training program, and doing so safely, effectively, of course, injury-free, so you continue to make progress, get stronger, get better, burn that fat, and become the best you can be each and every day using that kettlebell. All right, that's what I'm here to help you do. So rewatch this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave them in the comments. Practice. And I'll see you in the next video. We're going to go over even more kettlebell technique. All right. Learn it safely. Learn it right the first time. And we can go from there. All right. Have an awesome day. Go for it. Expect success. Put in the work. You got this. I'm here to help you one step at a time through the entire journey. All right. Have an awesome day.